How to make video on RedNote. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your RedNote account or your RedNote application. Log into your account. So RedNote is basically like TikTok. After you create your account, what you will have to do is tap on this plus icon in this middle navigation bar. Simply allow your device media, and then in order to create video you can either select from your media or simply use the camera from here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.